Looking for a delicious way to boost your health? Try eating some papaya. With its sweet flavor and vibrant color, papaya is a great addition to any diet. One of the biggest benefits of papaya is its high levels of vitamin C. In fact, just one medium-sized papaya contains more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. But that's not all. Papaya is also rich in vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. Eating papaya can help improve your digestion and prevent constipation. Papaya contains a digestive enzyme called papain that can help break down protein and ease bloating. Studies suggest that papaya may also have anti-inflammatory properties. This means it could help reduce inflammation in the body, easing chronic conditions like arthritis. Papaya is also low in calories, making it a great choice for those watching their weight. In addition to its many health benefits, papaya is also incredibly versatile. You can eat it ripe or unripe, add it to smoothies, use it in salads, or even grill it for a delicious dessert. Some text goes here, so why not give papaya a try and start reaping the benefits today? Some